Modecas London is marketed as a fashion brand with branding that suggests British style and a London-based identity. The website creates the impression of a UK fashion boutique. But the real question is it actually British? Now, to be fair, many online fashion stores use city names like London in their branding. That alone does not prove the business is based in the UK. What it does well, the clothing looks stylish. Professional product photos create a premium fashion image. The website appears polished. A modern e-commerce design makes browsing simple and appealing, where the concerns start appearing. A London name doesn't prove a UK business. This is the biggest issue. Many online retailers use location-based branding without actually operating there. Product photos don't guarantee real-world quality. Marketing images may not always match what customers receive. Independent reputation may be limited. A lack of public history can make reliability harder to judge. So, is Modecas London actually British? Short answer, not necessarily. The name and branding alone are not enough to confirm that the business is genuinely based in the United Kingdom. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.